It's my Yamaha yz85 dirt bike. We're finna get it full speed. I know he's scared. I was gonna say if he's not scared of it. Alright, we're finna go full speed on the Yamaha yz85 dirt bike.
Now you have to go fast.
Shit!
He's about to get fifth gear right here.
We just got it fixed. Dirt bike.
Fifth gear, bitch!
It's only 5 gears, 1 down, 5 up, 4 up. There he goes. Nah, shit.
I hear the bee.
Fifth gear.
I hear that bumblebee.
Just heard that fifth gear.
Rattle the bee's nest.
Oh, he had it fifth.
Yeah, he just fishtailed. He just fishtailed. That's awesome. Alright. No, not in the yard. Y'all hear that? It died and started again.
That's bad.
That's cool.
How did it die and you made it go start again?
Yeah. Hold on, I'm recording this. Can't you see?
West side?
Now, how many gears you get that in? Is that full
6.
speed? All 6.
Bumblebee.
It was flooding, but now it's fixed.
I heard it. I heard the bumblebee. I said, damn, buddy. I said, this fuel doing the same thing. And then all of a sudden, that motherfucker reared up and goes,
I bought it for 180. Had to put a crankshaft in it for 75 off eBay. And I don't know, might sell it after I have my fun. Got to take it to my trails tomorrow. Alright, this is for YouTube. Yamaha yz85 dirt bike. Later.
Love you.